Hey, it's Nick with BDofABQ, and today I'm doing a review of my DashCam. So I've been using the A119S for almost a year now without a single issue, so I bought a second one so that I can have one out the front and one out the back windshield. I believe the A119S is the best and cheapest dashcam available. The video quality is pretty good, but not crystal clear. Audio quality is great, and overall it is really reliable. And the other thing I love about it is the lock button. Whenever I see a clip that I want to save and review later, I just push the red button and it won't be deleted by the camera. I ordered this one from blackboxmycar.com, so in the box comes a microSD card with an SD card adapter, the camera itself with a GPS mount, an instruction booklet, the power cord and adapter, spare sticky back mounts, and cable router ties. In addition, BlackboxMyCar sent me a panel clip popper, and a hardwire kit, but I'm not going to hardwire it because me and car electronics get along as well as, well, water and car electronics. You can choose to record in 1080p 60, 1080p 30, 720p 120, 720 60, and 720 30. It has wide dynamic range, it can save a clip with a G sensor, but I prefer to just hit the lock button myself. It has forward collision warning and lane departure warning, but these features aren't exactly the best. In addition, my Accord has forward collision warning and lane departure warning, and those systems actually work, so I'll leave them off. I prefer the sticky mounts because the suction cup mounts just always fall. In addition, it allows it to stick to the windshield much closer, and it hides the camera a lot better. And now for some sample clips.
Oh! Holy shit!
As you can see, it's a great camera, and in my experience, they're very reliable, and I'm very happy with them. If you'd like to buy one, I've got the link in the description to BlackboxMyCar's website.